أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أخي الكريم. الحمد لله. This is Muhammad Ba, the co-founder of Darul Hadith. Alhamdulillah, like I told you earlier on, inshallah, I'll make a video and send you as we are seeking donation to renovate our beautiful Dara, inshallah, for the beautiful kids to have a proper learning. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. The three key points here that we are talking about is, Alhamdulillah, we want to tile the Dara, the madrasa, and roof it, inshallah, and general renovation, alhamdulillah. Like I said earlier on, the Imam Ratib of the beautiful village is here, alhamdulillah, and other cooperators, and the kids as well, alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. As we know, we are just from Eid, so basically we've left another kids to go and make the Eid, to spend the beautiful Eid with their families and loved ones, inshallah. But on Saturday, tomorrow, we are resuming as well. We have 200 plus kids in this beautiful madrasa, alhamdulillah. So as you can see, we are definitely in need of your donations. Wallahi, brothers and sisters in Islam, your donations are highly appreciated. $1 is not small, €1 is not small, alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. The three key points that I'm talking about here are the roofing and the tile, and to change the corrugates, inshallah, or the iron sheets, to be precise, inshallah. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And this is the Imam of the beautiful village, inshallah.